Okay, this is part 3 of finding AT using criteria 2, or the second criterion. We just looked at the first part of the second criterion, which was looking at where VeVO2 and PET-O2 began to increase. Okay, now there's a second part to this. The second part is where VeVCO2 and PET-CO2 remain the same. Okay, so when those start to level off, is where we're going to look for. So we're going to use this arrow here if we can grab it, and we'll bring that close so we have it on hand. Okay, so first thing, let's look at VeVCO2. VeVCO2 is going to be the red here, and where do we see the red starting to level off? I would say it's right about there. So let's go ahead and insert a line so we don't get lost. And I'm going to say I'm pretty confident that it's right about that point right there. Okay, so I'm going to draw the red line. Actually, let's make it green to stand out a little bit. We'll put it above the line here. Okay, so I'm thinking that's about where that's located at. And then also we're looking at where PET-CO2 levels off as well. So let's get another line. And let's see, PET-CO2 looks like it levels off right about here, with the exception of these kind of skewed values here. So let's see, that's pretty good right there. Pretty nice straight values. And let's make that one this color. I don't know what the heck is up with that line. Let's see. Let's undo that line. And insert it again. Alright, so we're looking right about there. Make it purple. And we're going to click on this. Let's look at the weight. Make it a little bit heavier. Alright, there we go. I had a little trouble with the color showing up. So that's about where it levels off just by eyeballing it. And we see where the line of increase for the PET-O2 and VeVO2 happens right at the point of where that nice level is for both lines. Okay, so let's see. I would say it's right about there. Okay, so we're looking at, okay, this is the line to mark the lack of change in VeVCO2. This is the line to mark the lack of change in PET-CO2. And we're going to draw our vertical line where PET-O2 and VeVO2 begin to increase in those spots. Okay, so that's about where we're at. Let's look, that's a little bit under 3.5, so let's say 3.4 or so. Okay, so we'll go back to our Word document, and under here we will put 3.4, and that's liters of O2. Okay, 3.4, which matches up pretty nicely with our criterion 1 method.